Today we'll show you how to use 3 of our favourite products, Collodion, Perfect Matte and Eyeshadow Variety to craft simple and quickly done wound effects with ease. Step 1. Grab your fine angled brush and pick up shade SM from the Eyeshadow Variety 18 Colours V2. Sketch out your wound design. Remember, it's all about your creativity. This shadow is the perfect sidekick, staying in place while you layer magic on top. Step 2. Time to bring it to life. Add layers of Collodion over your design for a cool, deep scar effect. Remember to let each layer dry for a bit, but here's the deal. Keep it away from your eyes and mouth. Safety first. Step 3. Want that realistic matte finish? Dust on a light layer of Perfect Matte to tone down any shine. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps and the right tools, you can create stunning, quick and easy special effects. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks from the world of makeup artistry. Thanks for watching.